Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Oh, I don't think that started well. Hi everyone. My camera was a bit slow there. Welcome back to the channel, welcome to those who are new here. So this is the Simon Says Stamp April, is it the April or March card kit? Yes, it's April's card kit because May's has just been launched. I'm usually about a month behind anyway because of where I live. But this month doesn't come with a pouch. Sometimes you get these mesh bags in with your kit. This one didn't come with the one. I just have a spare one. So I put the kit in, so that's another use for it. But I'm just going to open this and start dragging stuff out. So let's start with cardstock. So you get your little like idea sheet, and I'll keep it off to the side, but you know me, I can't read quick enough, so we'll see how quick I can read that to give you the names of things. So you get a sheet of Nina 110 Solar White cardstock, and you also get a Simon Says Stamp 100 pound honey cardstock. It's a really cool yellow actually. It's kind of musty in colour, very nice. And then that's the stamp set, so let's leave that. Then we have some double-sided papers, and these are, you get 6 double-sided 6x6 sheets of paper rose, bees and butterflies printed paper. It's a mouthful and a half, but these are very pretty papers. And yeah, you could do loads with them. I mean, this one you could cut in half and make 2 slimline cards. Easy. These you could cut apart and have as little tags in your planner. This is probably the size of the sort of the planners that have the, what is it, vertical. You could use it for that. It's very, very pretty, very yellow, which is not normally a colour I'd go for, but I really like it. So we'll see what I can come up with. And lots of butterflies, which I love. I mean, that would make a card front on its own. So you get those 6 papers. Then what else have I got? Oh, let's do the envelope. So you get a Simon Says Stamp grocery bag A2 envelope. It's not a grocery bag, but it's the colour of like a grocery bag. And it's also got like self-adhesive, so that's really nice. Always handy having envelopes and things. Then we have the little coupon thing, which you always get in one of the kits. I'm just trying to sneakily go in and see what I've got next. Right, then we get some Tim Holtz collage paper. This is the Serendipity ideology, that's the word. And these are basically like tissue paper, so you can use your collage medium, which you also get, if I can get it. You also get a little bottle of the collage medium matte from Ranger and the distress line, and you can use this with a paintbrush and go, you would put your collage medium down, pop this on, and then collage over the top, and then you can do all sorts of cool techniques. And there's some, let's see this side, some very pretty papers in there. I've never used this stuff before, so this is going to be new for me. But it's one of those things I've wanted to do for a long time. So you get that and your collage medium. Then we get, let's just talk these things. So then you get a 1 ounce 29 ml little like a mini bottle jar of texture paste in the sparkle. This is like a clear sparkle. You can't really see it there. It dries clear, but it's got this really cool sparkle in it. I don't think it's like intense sparkle. I've never used it again, but we shall see. But it just gives you that hint of sparkle in it, which is very pretty. Oh, of course you always get candy. This one is bubblegum, so hubby will like that. Oh yeah, what about that? Then you get 6 rolls. These are in a kind of rainbow. So there's the yellow, orange, red. There's like a pink, is that a green, and maybe the creamy colour maybe? I'm not sure. Anyway, you get 6 of these washi tapes, and they are, if I can find it, oh, 1 pack of 6 Simple Stories colour palette warm washi tape. oh, warm is the colour palette. Colour palette warm. So yeah, so you get all these washi tapes, and they're just like almost like they're very much a Tim Holtz ideology kind of style, where you've got this sort of vintage collaged paper kind of thing, but it's washi tape, so that's handy. It also is the freebie this month. I don't know if they're going to do freebies every month. I know there's one coming for May as well, which is really nice of them to do that. But this month was the 49th and Market epoxy coated sticker embellishments. Say that 3 times fast. And this is the Wishing Bubbles and Baubles. There's a mouthful for you. But it's got these cool little, I don't know, enamel dots. So you've got plain one with dots, one with stripes, which is cool. I've never seen that before. Then you've got these little flowers. They look a little like fried eggs. Butterflies and dragonflies. And then you've got like One Fine Day, Just Saw, Good Day. So these little like epoxy sticker things, they've sort of raised with little messages. And then you've got a whole bunch of different hearts, which is very cool. I like the colour palette, and it actually works really well with the paper and everything. Then we have the stamp set and stencil set. So this is the stamp set for the month. This is the Butterfly Blossoms 6x8 stamp set. There are some very beautiful blossomy kind of flower, obviously. So I don't know, that's maybe a daisy sort of thing. I don't know what flower that'd be. Pass. Maybe a dandelion. I don't know. And lots of different sort of sentiments. So you can use it for birthdays, missing you, thank you for everything, thinking of you, I love you, with sympathy. Yeah. But the neat thing about these, and there's some butterflies as well, neat thing is that there's all these little numbers next to them. So if we go to B5 on the stencils, that will coordinate, and you can colour them in with a stencil. Hello, how cool is that? There's sort of an example where you'd colour them in. So if, let me just grab them out of here. And these are called Butterfly Blossoms, so they're the coordinating stencils, and there's 2 of them. So they're kind of etched off. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. It's kind of like etched lines, so it sort of separates each image, if you like. So if, for example, like, where's this one? Is that this one up here? Would be the more difficult one to hold. So you would just line that up, and then you can ink different colours over different things if you need to mask off little sections. Let's see what else is on this side. These flowers are on there. This butterfly wings. Where's the little one? There's a little butterfly there. And they also have on here the little etch. Again, I don't know if you're going to see that. There's like a little etched number, and that number will coordinate with this. So this one here says B3, and that is, whoops, B3 butterfly. And there you have it. So that is, for me, very, very clever. Very, very. Let's just see on this one. So this will be this guy down here. If I can line it up like so. And then this will be for this one. And even though, you know, there's one image, if you like you're not individually doing each, there's not an individual stencil for each part of the flower, is what I'm trying to say. But you can line it up, and once you've got this secured to your image, you can then use some masking paper or post-it notes or something to mask off certain sections, so you can get different colours like they've done here. So I think this is a very cool kit. I'm very excited about it. I am always late, you know that, because I'm usually about a month behind on these, and then it takes me forever to get stuff out. So I will do my best to get things out. There's lots going on in the background, so yeah, I will do my best to get some more or some ideas out for this kit. And yeah, just watch this space. So until next time, guys, bye for now.